Cell is structural and functional unit of life, mean every living thing is that made from the cells, including the animal cell, plant cell, microorganism, and others that have the life. So basically, cells can be classified into two: prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. The prokaryotic cell have no true nucleus, and the organelles cannot be bonded by the membranes, whereas the eukaryotic cells have the true nucleus and the organelles bonded by the membranes. In this video, we discuss about eukaryotic cell, specifically the animal cell that have the organelles. The animal cell have the organelles within the cell. So what type of organelles are found within the cell or in the cytoplasm, and what type of function have these organelles? In this video, we'll be discussing in detail using these models. This represent animal cell model. So we'll be discussing in detail using these models about the organelles that are found within the cytoplasm of the animal cells. When we start from this, this is the nucleus. This is the nucleus. The nucleus have the role of the carrying the genetic material, meaning that is DNA. The DNA molecules found within the nucleus. This is the nucleus. Here is the nucleus. So the genetic materials found within the nucleus. And this is a nuclear pore. This nuclear pore helps to movement of the molecules into the nucleus and out of the cell. For example, messenger RNA exit from the nucleus using the nuclear pore, and other like proteins, enzyme, nucleotide, and enter to the cell using the nuclear pore. So the nuclear pore helps to excite and enter of molecule from the nucleus into the cytoplasm. So this is the nucleus, and this is the nuclear pores. This is a nucleolus. This indicates, or this structure indicates the nucleolus. This nucleolus have the role of the preparation or synthesis of the ribosomal RNA. So this is the nucleolus that helps to preparing the ribosomal RNA. And this one, nuclear envelope. Nuclear envelope means that the membrane or the molecule, the structure that protect the nucleuses. As you know, eukaryotic cells have the membrane bonded organelles. So this is a membrane bonded structure. And this is Golgi apparatus. The Golgi apparatus helps to packaging, modifying, and preparing of the protein. This is a Golgi apparatus or Golgi complex. And the other one, this is the mitochondria. The mitochondria helps to preparing the ATP. So this mitochondria also bonded by the membrane bonded structure. And the mitochondria also, which is known as powerhouse of the cell. So this is the mitochondria, and this one the mitochondria, this one the mitochondria, this one mitochondria, this one. So this mitochondria also have their own DNA molecule or genetic material within the organelles. The other one, this is rough endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum have the ribosome. The rough endoplasmic reticulum containing a ribosome, which is known as rough endoplasmic reticulum. Normally, endoplasmic reticulum can be classified into two: rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. The rough endoplasmic reticulum that contains ribosome, which is known as rough endoplasmic reticulum, and the smooth endoplasmic reticulum that have no the ribosome. So this is a rough endoplasmic reticulum. So this rough endoplasmic reticulum that helps to the preparing of protein and carrying the ribosome. Ribosome, this is ribosome, like dot-like structure that indicate ribosome. This one ribosome, this one ribosome. So the main role of the ribosome, the preparation of protein. So rough endoplasmic reticulum, also there is ribosome. This ribosome helps to prepare protein molecules or protein structures. The other one, this is centromere. This centromere helps to organize these spindle fibers during cell division at like mitosis or meiosis. So this centromere helps to organize of the spindle femur during the cell division. The other one, this one vacuole. This one the vacuole. The vacuole helps to protect or contain or store the water molecule. And this one peroxisomes. The peroxisomes helps to detoxify the harmful substances. The other one, this is lysosome. And this is the lysosome. This lysosome helps to neutralize of the toxic or waste materials. Lysosome have the enzymes. These enzymes help us to neutralize the pathogens and other waste materials. So this is lysosome. The other one, this is secretory vesicles. This secretory vesicles that has to the providing of the molecule of into the cell membrane. And this one, the cell membrane. This this one the cell membrane that controls the entering and out of the molecule. So this is the cell membrane. The other one, this space is cytoplasm. The cytoplasm is jelly-like substance that store organelles or containing various organelles within the cell, and respiration occur within this or in the cytoplasm. The other one, this is microtubules. These microtubules help us to transport molecule from one place to another within the cell. So this is microtubules. So about the eukaryotic cell, using these models, specifically the animal cell, seems like this. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you.